Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make organic yogurt at home. First, gather your ingredients: 1/2 gallon of organic whole milk and 2 tablespoons of a live active yogurt starter. You will also need a large pot, a thermometer, and clean jars. Sterilizing your equipment is a crucial first step to ensure a successful batch of delicious, homemade yogurt. This preparation sets the foundation for a perfect, creamy result. Next, gently heat your organic milk in a large pot over medium heat. Bring the temperature up to 180 degrees Fahrenheit, stirring frequently to prevent it from sticking or burning. This step denatures the milk proteins, creating a firmer yogurt. After heating, cool the milk down to between 110 and 115 degrees Fahrenheit. This precise temperature is vital for the starter culture to thrive. Once the milk has cooled to the correct temperature, gently whisk in 2 tablespoons of your live active yogurt starter. Ensure it is thoroughly combined. Then, pour the inoculated milk into your sterilized jars or an insulated container. Maintain a consistent temperature of around 110 degrees Fahrenheit for 6 to 12 hours. This incubation period allows the beneficial bacteria to ferment the milk, transforming it into creamy yogurt. After the incubation period, your yogurt is ready for chilling. Transfer the jars to the refrigerator and chill for at least 4 hours. This crucial step halts the fermentation process and helps the yogurt set, resulting in a thicker, more desirable consistency. Once chilled, your delicious homemade organic yogurt can be stored in an airtight container for up to 2 weeks. Enjoy your fresh, wholesome creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.